Okay, in this video, very similar to the last video, we're going to find the standard form or the equation of a hyperbola with foci at 1, -2, and 7, -2, and then vertices at 2, -2, and 6, -2. So the only difference here is that we're not going to be at the center, or our center isn't going to be at the origin, okay? We're going to be somewhere else. So let's just go ahead and plot the points. Let's do the vertices first. So we're going to do 2, -2. So over 2, down 2. Oh, it helps if I over 2, down 2, and then I'm going to go over 6, down 2. My foci, I'm going to go ahead and make those in red, so they're a little bit different, is at 7, -2, and 1, -2. Okay, so then my box, we're not really sure how high it goes. Oh, that's a terrible box. But we do know that my hyperbolas are going to go this way along my x-axis. So this means that my x's are going to come first in my equation. So it's going, I need to first, though, figure out where is this center, right? So if I moved from 2 to 6, I went over 4 places, so the center has to be 2 away. So if you take 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 take away 2 is 4. So my center here is going to be at 4, -2. That is going to be my center. So that's going to help me write the first part of my equation. So now I'm going to do x minus 4 squared, because my center goes here, minus y minus -2, so it turns into a plus 2 squared. So we put our center up here in the numerator, and then the distance goes for my a squared and b squared, which goes in the denominator. So my center up here inside our squares here, and then our distances from the center go as my a squared and b squared. So I know my distance from the center to my vertices are 2, so 2 squared is 4. So I know that that goes 4 in there. I need to figure out my b squared, and just like before, we're going to use the equation c squared equals a squared plus b squared. My c squared, the distance from 1 to 7 is 6, so half of 6 from the center would be 3. So we move 3 from the center here. 3 squared is 9, so 9 equals 4 plus b squared, and then we just subtract 4 and get 5 equals our b squared. Again, we don't have to square root and then square it again. All we need to do is put the 5 there for our equation. So in this case, our equation for these foci and vertices is x minus 4 squared over 4 minus y plus 2 squared all over 5. And that's it for this video.